As mentioned in our earlier session, in this lab video, we will learn and perform an easy and intuitive way to manipulate data using a special package called DPLYR. First of all, of course, we have to install the DPLYR package. Then we will convert some of the variables to factor variables to perform an example for how to use the DPLYR package. First example is OR operator to subset the data. Type filter the dataset empty cars, comma, then the condition that will be used to subset the data. In this case, its CYL is equal to 6 or CYL should be 7. View the dataset, we will have empty cars data whose CYL is equal to 7 or 6. I have also wrote how can we perform that using the base R package. We can clearly differentiate the difference on how easy, short and convenient to remember the codes than the base R package. The next, we will do the same for the AND operator. Now let's see how to subset the columns using DPLYR. To subset the columns using DPLYR, we only need to do is to type select, then define the dataset empty cars and the column names. That's it, done. But in base R package, we have to define the list of columns in a row columnar format. Now, to add a new column, use the function mutate. The dataset name empty cars, then the new column name, for example, new col 1, with the criteria to fill the new col 1, else it will remain as empty column. Here we have our new col 1 added in the empty car dataset. Now to delete a column, just use the minus sign with the column name that we want to delete. To sort the data using DPLYR, all we need is to type a range, then the dataset name empty cars with column name that will be used to order the dataset. By default, it will use ascending order, and for descending order, use the word DESC with the column name. To create group, use group by, and to create a summary, use summarize with the functions in it. Pipelines. Pipe operator helps to better organize the code in pipelines, which is easier to read, write, and maintain. Now here I have listed how can we perform the same line of code by using our base package DPLYR and using pipe operator. Using pipe, we can directly see the grammar of codes. Looks more easy, as in pipe, line of codes gets executed from left to right. To create a new column using pipe, again use the same word mutate. Next, we will see how to restructure the dates to manipulate data.